It's really not that late, but we just got back from dinner. We went to dinner for my grandpa's 80th birthday. We didn't really make it even to the entrees. We had to get takeout, okay? We were there for the appetizers, though. So Kennedy just went down, and Grayson, I think he might be down for the night. I've got some watermelon here. This is my new favorite snack. With some crisp watermelon. This brand of whipped cream. It tastes like actual heavy cream, like real whipped cream. It's so good. Wow. So, like, what shows are you guys watching recently? I started Love Island earlier, but, like, episode 1 is an hour and 36 minutes. That's a full movie. Okay. Oh, and that new movie with Greg Powell, I think it's Twisted. It's only in theaters. I don't have time to go to I was like, okay, what platform is it streaming on, right? If not, movie theater is so expensive too. Put it on a streaming service. Oh. There's another movie too. Not a movie. There's another show I started too on Netflix. I don't even know the name of it, but it's like one of those like limited series. Like the ones that are like really, they take a lot of twists and turns. I like those because you never know what's gonna happen, okay? Like it starts out and you think that it's about little Sally Sue going to boarding school, but it turns out to be about something that happened 30 years ago with a couple friends. It's one of those shows. I actually have a yellow watermelon from Trader Joe's. Maybe I'll try it. I have no idea what this is. Oh! Is this just like a not ripe watermelon? I don't like that. I don't like that. I'll just stick with this. I don't like that. I don't know why those were viral on TikTok. It's not good. It tasted just like an unripe watermelon. Like, you know, when you're eating regular watermelon and you kind of get close to like the rind? That's what that tasted like. Wasn't good. All right, I need to go shower. And then pump. Let me know what your favorite nighttime snack is. Late night snack. And what's your favorite show right now? Let me know. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.